These Chipotle steak quesadillas are a must try.
Made with simple ingredients and it's pretty easy to make at home. Let's get stuck into it. Now for your steak, you've got plenty of different options. Today I'm just gonna be using a scotch fillet. Now, if you wanted to go for a leaner cut of meat, you can. You've got flank steak, you've got rump. We're just gonna cut them into cubes, like so. Okay, so we've got 1 tablespoon of Chipotle and adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and then we're just gonna give that a good mix, just coating all that meat. Okay, we're just gonna set that in the fridge to marinate while we prepare our other ingredients. All right, so now we're gonna be making the famous Chipotle Vinaigrette. It's super versatile, it's quick and easy, and tastes unbelievable. Okay, so into a blender, we're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of water.
Blend on a medium speed for 30 seconds until well combined.
Okay, next step, we're gonna slowly pour in some avocado oil until we get a nice emulsification. So there we go, homemade Chipotle vinaigrette. Now that will store in the fridge for up to 5 to 7 days. Good for marinades, top it on some salads. And for today, we're gonna be using this for a delicious dipping sauce for our quesadilla. Fantastic. All right, so now we're gonna saute our vegetables. We've got 2 red onions, 2 green capsicums. You can use red, yellow, whatever you've got in the fridge or whatever's available. Okay, so now you've taken the skin off, you've topped and tailed them, cut them in half. We're gonna place them flat side down, hand on top of the onion, and just cutting them into thin slices. Okay, we're gonna cut our capsicums now, just placing the capsicum down, upright, and just slicing off the sides. Cut them in half. You can remove any of that membrane in there as well. And then just cutting them into thin slices, just like your onions. In a hot pan, we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and in with your onions and your capsicums. In we go with a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just gonna saute these down. Okay, in the final minute, I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper
And half a teaspoon of oregano.
Those have been sauteing for about 5 or 6 minutes now. Just gonna place them into a bowl. Into a hot pan, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm just gonna cook my steak in batches, about half the amount. Okay, it's really important. We don't want to overcook this here as it goes into the tortilla. We're going to toast that again and it's going to keep cooking through. So we're really just getting some good color on the outside of this steak. And then we're going to remove it from the pan to stop it cooking. All right, for cheese, now you can use any good melting cheese. Today, I'm just using good old cheddar. You can use mozzarella. If you can get your hands onto some Mexican cheese, that's perfect as well. So you just want to freshly grate your cheese, of course.
All right, to assemble the quesadilla, place your tortilla into a pan on low heat, and on half a tortilla, lay down your vegetables, steak, and top with your cheese. Fold the tortilla over and let it toast until the cheese starts to melt. Then flip and toast the other side until golden brown and fully melted. If you're finding your cheese isn't melting fast enough, you can always place a lid on top to speed up the process.
Wow. Something about Mexican food, they just know how to do it right. Can't beat a good steak quesadilla. So good. So that's it for today. Quick, easy, packed with protein, delicious. We'll see you in the next video.